Welcome students. In this half marks extra series, we are going to discuss our next question. Okay. So here you already know it now. You might have seen already so many lectures where we are discussing what extra you can write in the answer so that you will get better marks than the extra. Half marks extra is about the getting better marks than others. And that is a competitive exam. So you need to have a better marks. Okay. So let's see a question and let's understand where you can get the better marks than the other. What you have to write more and where you will get this half marks extra. It basically more than half marks. 1 or 2 marks you will definitely get extra in every question if you follow all these things. So see the question here. What's the question? Mention the features and the importance of the public account committee. See, the question looks very, very simple. But the thing is, what kind of a facts you put in that question, what kind of a points you put in that question, that is going to make the difference. So here, first understand what is the locus. Locus is just public account committee. It is already in our syllabus, public account committee. Okay, we know about it. Okay. So it is a parliamentary committee. And what is the focus here? You have to write the features and the importance that the focus. So the locus is public account committee. Okay. And this focus is the features and the importance of the public account committee. Okay. So let's understand. Let's talk about that. Introduction. What should be the introduction here? Origin. Okay. You can write the origin in the introduction that public account committee is established with the Government of India Act 1919. Okay, we know it. It is established with Government of India Act 1919. Okay, so that factual information you can give in the introduction. See, so many people write like that. Public account committee is a good committee to keep the government accountable. Such kind of introduction are very generalistic introduction. You will not get the marks, extra marks than others. Write down the Government of India Act. And in the body, two things are specifically asked. You have to write the features of the public account committee and the importance of the public account committee. Clearly, it is given in the question what you have to write. Okay, so you know it. And then the conclusion, where you have to write way forward to improve the efficiency. Okay, understand the structure. You have to write the introduction, then the body, and then in the conclusion, you have to write the way forward, how the public account committee efficiency can be improved. And see, everybody is going to write these things. Then where you will get the extra marks? कहाँ मिलेगा वो extra marks? तो ये हमें देखना है. You will get extra marks with factual information. This half marks extra. You have to write the factual information. Like in the introduction, we have mentioned that we have taken this or established this public account committee 1919. This is 1921. It started working. Okay, and this is the oldest parliamentary committee right now we have. So you should be knowing this fact. You should be putting these facts in the answer. Only then you will get better marks. Then good points for importance of public account committee. You have to write good points. See, features you can write easily. Okay. Ki kitne members hai? There are 22 members, 15 from Lok Sabha, 7 points Rajya Sabha. You have to write all these facts. Only then you will get the better marks. You will write who will be the chairman here. The chairman will be established by the speaker or appointed by the speaker. Okay. And the member who is from the opposition political party, that member will become a chairman of that political party. This is a convention that is followed since 1967. All these things has to be right. You have to mention the year also. You have to mention this is a convention followed from that year. जो मैं कह रहा हूं, factual information होनी चाहिए. Factual information की कमी आई तो गए तुम्हारे marks. Then good points for the importance. You have to write here. You examples also, like suppose you are writing the point that the public account committee has played a very important role in exposing the corruptions. Then you have to write how, which examples. You have to write the examples like here Bofors scam. Bofors scam was studied by the public account committee. This 2G scam, this is coal scam. All these scams were studied by this public account committee. Public account committee has given this report. This report has been discussed in the parliament, and that is how these scams get exposed. You have to mention these facts. अगर नहीं करोगे, बस लिख दोगे हाँ, ensure accountability, reducing wastages, keeping government account responsive, okay, exposing corruption. ऐसे पॉइंट्स लिखो तो मार्क नहीं आएंगे. लिखना पड़ेगा, फैक्ट्स लिखने पड़ेंगे, नाम लिखने पड़ेंगे. Then you have to give the suggestions, good suggestions. So everybody will write the suggestion. Okay, their reports has to be made public, or there should be transparency in working. Okay, the tenure should be increased from 1 year to 2 years. All these things you can mention. But see, I told you, everybody is going to write. where you will get this half marks extra again in the conclusion. There, suppose you mentioned the name of our former vice president Venkaiah Naidu. Remember, Venkaiah Naidu was our former vice president and he has given suggestion with respect to the public account committee. Venkaiah Naidu said that two things has to be done. One, the tenure has to be increased to be 2. The members of the public account committee, their tenure is 1 year. It has to be increased to 2. Again, he said that consider the educational background, the experience of the member while appointing him as the member of that committee. उसके experience के हिसाब से उसे committee allocate करो. He will work better. And here we are mentioning about the Venkaiah Naidu. See, such things has to be written to get this half marks extra. Where we are studying in the Dnyanadeep Academy, we teach such things to the student. ये सारे example, facts, Venkaiah Naidu and all these things that we teach students. Okay, so ये लिखना पड़ेगा तभी बाकियों से अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे. So these things you have to follow compulsorily. Okay, जहां पे तुम्हें बाकियों से एक्स्ट्रा मार्क मिले, यही एज तुम्हें सिलेक्शन देगी. समझ रहे हो? ओके, सो इस तरह से तुम्हें आंसर लिखना पड़ेगा ताकि तुम बाकियों से आगे रहो. दैट इज हाफ मार्क्स एक्स्ट्रा. थैंक यू सो मच.